Tired of dry, damaged hair that feels rough and looks lifeless? Imagine a shampoo that not only cleanses but also deeply hydrates and strengthens your hair, without weighing it down. That's exactly what ABBA Moisture Shampoo offers. It's designed to restore softness and eliminate static frizz, giving your hair a fresh, healthy bounce every day. I've been using ABBA Moisture Shampoo for years, and what keeps me coming back is its consistent performance and that refreshing mint scent that wakes you up with every wash. The formula is gentle yet effective, perfect for dry hair that needs moisture without heaviness. Plus, it's color safe, so it protects your hair's vibrancy while delivering the hydration it craves. Over time, I noticed my hair feeling stronger, softer, and more manageable, no more battling flyaways or dullness. If you're looking for a reliable shampoo that hydrates deeply and strengthens your hair from root to tip, ABBA Moisture Shampoo is worth a look. Pair it with ABBA Moisture Conditioner for best results and enjoy hair that feels nourished and looks vibrant. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves.